Chase, what do you have? Where'd you get all this stuff?
It's from Mama. Thank you, Mama.
It's from Elma. Thank you, Elma. What else?
This car.
What do we say to Elma?
Thank you so much, Mama.
And what else?
And I know you.
We love Elma, don't we?
Please. I love Mama. Thank you, Mama.
She's gonna come out and see us. Thank you, Elma. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Mama. Happy Valentine's Day.
Can you look at Can you look at this? Can you look at?
I want to see it.
Say, oh my gosh. Say Happy Valentine's Day, Elma.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He's playing.